Yeah, well, let's go ahead and pop over and see what's going on in the tropics because we do have Hurricane Ian spinning out there. Unfortunately, going to make landfall later today. And actually, there is a look at Fort Myers, which is very close to where Hurricane Ian is expected to make landfall. Already starting to see conditions deteriorate out there as a lot of areas in Florida under mandatory evacuations along the coastline. So there's Hurricane Ian, very well defined eye there as it's moving towards the Florida coast there. And actually the most recent pass through done by the hurricane hunters found that it does have sustained winds of 155 miles per hour. So just 2 miles per hour shy of becoming a Category 5 storm. So if it strengthens, we could see a Category 5 storm make landfall this afternoon. That's 1 p.m. Central time, so around 2 p.m. Eastern, expected to begin to make its way on shore and then move very, very slowly across the state, becoming a tropical storm before moving to drop some rain and wind over Georgia and even the Carolinas. So could see some more tropical storm watches and warnings for other states in the southeast, not just Florida alone. Now, the biggest concern with Hurricane Ian is the storm surge and the rain. So here's a look at the maximum potential storm surge. That's over 9 feet for a good portion of the Florida coast there. And even further north towards the Tampa area, they're also expecting to see at least 4 to 6, potentially 8 feet of storm surge. So coastal regions just potentially going to be underwater by the time we get to Friday. And in addition to storm surge, they're looking to drop at least 15 inches of rain. Some other estimates have it closer to that 30 inches of rain because the storm is going to be moving so slowly as it pushes across the state. Expected to just drop so much water there. So definitely keep Florida in your thoughts and prayers. Here in the valley, thankfully, the only effect we're going to see from Ian is high rip currents over the next couple of days. So if you do go out to the beach, be aware of that. And today's a wonderful day to go out to the beach. Looking at partly cloudy to mostly clear conditions across the valley, not looking for the sea breeze to get activated. We are going to see some of these yellow arrows there pushing on. So a little bit of a stronger winds today. Could see gusts about 25 to 30 miles per hour. So, you know, a little breezy out there, nothing we're not used to. We're going to see temperatures in the 60s, and by the time we get to this afternoon, going to top out in the upper 80s for us here in the valley. So really a beautiful day, a beautiful fall day for us. This is about as close to fall as we get here in deep South Texas. Temperatures going to stay in the upper 80s, low 90s for the next few days, and we're going to see those lows stick around the 60s. So make sure you plan some wonderful outdoor activities and enjoy this weather.